Welcome to my channel. In this video, I would like to present on a topic called 7 free ebooks on every data scientist. Every data scientist should read these 7 ebooks, free ebooks in 2020. Learning a new skill does not have to be expensive. You should only need time and dedication to learn a new skill in 2020 and 2021. There are many great online resources to learn data science. Some are free and others are paid. There are also expensive college programs dedicated to studying artificial intelligence. Which one should you choose? Let me tell you a secret. Learning a new skill does not have to be expensive. To learn a new skill in 2020, you only need time and dedication. In this video, I have compiled a list of 7 free ebooks that will help you learn data science and machine learning. Keep on learning. You only need time and dedication to learn a new skill in 2020. In case you would like to invest in yourself, check the following courses: Intro to Machine Learning, Intro to Programming, Data Science for Business Leaders, Artificial Intelligence for Healthcare, Autonomous System, Learn SQL, Audacity Programs, your first machine learning model in the cloud. Disclosure. Bear in mind that some of the links are affiliated links, and if you go through them to make a purchase, the decision is yours, and whether you buy or not, you decide to buy something is completely up to you. Deep learning. So on this, a book is written on the same title by Ian Goodfellow and Yeshua Bengino and Oren Kerwin. Deep Learning book was originally released in 2016 as one of the first books dedicated to the field of deep learning. It was written by a team of standout researchers at the forefront of developments at the time and has remained a highly influential and regarded work in deep neural networks. This is a bottom-up, theory-heavy treatise on deep learning. This is not a book full of code and corresponding comments, or a surface-level handy-wavy overview of neural networks. This is an in-depth mathematics-based explanation of the field. Second one, dive into deep learning. Authors Aston Zhang, Joxy Lipton, Mu Lee, Alex J. Smola. Dive into Deep Learning is an interactive deep learning book with code, maths and discussion. It provides NumPy, MXNet, PyTorch and TensorFlow implementations. The authors are Amazon employees who use Amazon's MXNet library to teach deep learning. The book is being regularly updated, so be sure you are reading the latest version. Zachary Lipton puts it nicely. What makes Dive into Deep Learning D2K unique is that we went so far with the idea of learning by doing what the entire book itself consists of: runnable code. We tried to combine the best aspects of a textbook, clarity and maths, with the best aspects of hands-on tutorials, practical skills, reference code, implementation tricks and intuition. Each chapter text section teaches a single key idea through multiple modalities: interweaving prose, maths and a self-contained implementation that can easily be grabbed and modified to give your projects a running start. We think this approach is essential for teaching deep learning because so much of the core knowledge in deep learning is derived from experimentation versus first principles. Third, Machine Learning Yearning, author Andrew Ng. This book was written by Andrew Ng, a professor at Stanford University and a pioneer in online education. He also co-founded Coursera and DeepLearning.ai. Machine learning book focuses on teaching how to make ML algorithms work, not on teaching machine learning algorithms. It prioritizes the most promising directions for an artificial intelligence project. This book is a gem of useful information that will help you solve problems in patience, like diagnosing errors in machine learning systems, how to apply end-to-end machine learning, transfer learning, and multitask learning, etc. The fourth book is Interpretable Machine Learning, subtitle A Guide for Making Black Box Models Explainable, author Christopher Molnar. This book uses a pay what you want pricing strategy, so it is technically not free. Interpretable machine learning focuses on machine learning models for tabular data, also called relational and or structured data, and less on computer vision and natural language processing tasks. Reading the book is recommended for machine learning practitioners, data scientists, statisticians, and any more else interested in making machine learning models interpretable. It details how to select and apply the best interpretation methods for a machine learning project. The fifth book is Bayesian Methods for Hackers, author Cameron Davidson. Bayesian Methods for Hackers is not technically a machine learning book, as it focuses on an important field of data science called Bayesian interface. Bayesian Methods for Hackers is designed as an introduction to Bayesian interface from a computational or understanding first and mathematics second point of view. It is aimed at enthusiasts with a less mathematical background or one who is not interested in mathematics but simply the practice of Bayesian methods. This text should be sufficient and entertaining. This book is also a great resource to learn PyMC, the probabilistic programming language in Python. The sixth book is Python Data Science Handbook, author Jake Vanderplas. Python Data Science Handbook is aimed at junior data scientists. It shows how to use the most important tools like IPython, NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, Scikit-learn, and many others. This book is perfect for tackling day-to-day issues such as cleaning, manipulating, and transforming data or building machine learning methods. The seventh and the last book is An Introduction to Statistical Learning, subtitled with applications in R. Authors Gareth James, Daniela Ritten, Trevor Hasty, and Robert Tibshirani. An Introduction to Statistical Learning introduces statistical learning methods. It is aimed at upper level undergraduate students, master's students, and PhD students in the non-mathematical sciences. The book also contains several R labs with detailed explanations on how to implement the various methods in real life settings and should be valuable resource for a practicing data scientist. If you like this video, please subscribe among your friends and well-wishers, and keep on watching my channel. Wish you all the best. God bless you. Thank you.